5 bra brands for curvy plus size women, part 2. I cannot tell you the number of women who've messaged me that Trilo works amazing for plus size. When I researched, I was super impressed. A, by the price point. Second, padded, non-padded, sports bra, wired, non-wired. They have everything. So give Trilo a try. Second is Zivame. My experience with Zivame was not good 6-7 years back. But again, a lot of you messaged me that Zivame works well with curvy women. And I'm impressed by the website by using curvy women for curvy bra. Third one is Triumph. Triumph was the first bra that I moved to after I stopped going to the local lingerie stores. The Triumph bras also have great collection. I checked the sizing. The sizing went up to 44G and they went up to 2XL in generic 1. Soy, my only problem with Soy is why use skinny models to showcase curvy bras? But otherwise, Soy also has great feedback, 40D. Last one is Van Heusen Intimates. The price point is great, under 1,000 rupees, and they have, good variety. The sizing only goes up to 40DD, so that's a bummer. All these brands were recommended by my followers, and hence I decided to curate a list for everyone else to do instead of skim through the comments. If you have more suggestions like this on brand recommendations that you have tried, I'm always open for suggestions. Please do that. Bye.